Standard on each new Hyundai HXA series compact excavator is an easy pattern control changer located just below the operator's seat. This red lever easily allows the operator to switch between excavator and backhoe controls to fit their preferred operating method. This makes the all-new HXA series compact excavators from Hyundai easy to operate and allows every operator on your team to work comfortably and effectively. One more way that Hyundai is setting the new standard in compact equipment.